Yes, we move on to speaking part 2. Describe a difficult thing you did, please.
Personally, I was consider myself to be a very confused person, and I was very afraid of different things. And however, I have done many difficult things in my life, where I found myself to be very harder. But after practicing, these things really became very easy. And here I would like to talk about one thing, which is a presentation. Basically, it was my starting days of university, and I felt very hesitant at that time, and I have assigned a topic of a presentation. A topic of presentation, and I vividly remember I was shivering at that time, and after that I came back to home and I practiced a lot, and on the actual day of presentation I gave a presentation very well, and my teachers were really surprised, and they said you presented very well.
Okay,
And
that's fantastic. Overall, it's very good. The way you are expressing, fluency is good, accent is good, vocabulary is fine. Just there are some issues with grammar. When you started, you said, I was consider myself. It should have been, I considered myself. And then you said, I have assigned a topic. So it should have been, I was assigned a topic, passive voice.
Okay.
Not I was. Thank you very much. I was assigned a topic. Okay. So these type of mistakes, but apart from these mistakes, overall it's good. Let's go on to speaking part 3. What kinds of jobs require people to be confident?
I think all the jobs require a certain degree of confidence, and here I would like to talk about a job which is a salesman's job, which requires a lot more confidence, and HR manager's job also requires many more confidence.
Okay,
For
much
example,
more, much more, not many more.
Okay.
Confidence is uncountable now.
Okay.
So these grammatical mistakes, if you just improve there, you'll get very good bench score.
Okay.
Still, it's fine. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.